In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the display settings in your Gmail account to make it work best for your specific needs. Whether you're someone who loves a visually detailed inbox or you prefer a minimalist touch, adjusting your Gmail display settings can make a big difference in your email experience. First things first, let's log into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and go to gmail.com. Enter your credentials to sign in. Once you've logged in, you're going to be on your main Gmail interface where you can see your inbox, a list of emails, and perhaps a few notifications. Now, let's direct our attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Doing this will open up what's called the Quick Settings menu, offering you a glimpse of customizable options without needing to dive deep into extensive settings. Once you have the Quick Settings menu open, look for the section labeled Density. This is where you can modify how your email list appears. You have 3 distinct options to choose from, each catering to different preferences. The first option is the default setting. Selecting this option will give you a layout where icons and attachment previews are displayed alongside your emails. It's a great choice if you frequently deal with file attachments, as it allows you to easily spot emails containing attachments right from your inbox. Next, we have the comfortable option. When you choose this setting, it removes those icons, giving you a cleaner look. This option provides slightly more space between each email, promoting a more relaxed viewing experience without the clutter of multiple icons. It's ideal for users who prefer a tidier interface while still enjoying a bit of breathing room between their messages. Lastly, there's the compact option. Selecting this setting will tighten the spacing between emails, making it perfect for those working on smaller screens or for folks who want to see as many emails as possible on their screen without scrolling. It's the most minimal and space-efficient choice available. Once you've figured out which density setting best suits your needs, simply click on your preferred option. The great thing here is that the changes apply instantly, allowing you to immediately see how your inbox looks and feels with the new setting. You can switch between these settings anytime you want, so feel free to experiment until you find what works best for you. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to customize your Gmail display settings, ensuring your email interface is perfectly tailored to fit your preferences. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your Gmail experience.